Alright, good morning, everyone. Alright, good morning, everyone. Alright, good morning, everyone. Okay. Alright, good morning, everyone. Okay. Last night's session. Alright, good morning, everyone. There, but okay. Last night's session. Alright, good morning, everyone. There, okay. Last night's session. Alright, good morning, everyone. There, okay. Last night's session. Alright, good morning, everyone. There, okay. Last night's session. Alright, good morning, everyone. There, okay. Last night's session. Alright, good morning, everyone. There, okay. Last night's session. Alright, good morning, everyone. There, okay. Last night's session. Alright, good morning, everyone. There, okay. Last night's session. Alright, good morning, everyone. There, okay. Last night's session. Alright, good morning, everyone. There, okay. Last night's session. Alright, good morning, everyone. There, okay. Last night's session. Alright, good morning, everyone. There, okay. Last night's session. Alright, good morning, everyone. There, okay. Last night's session. Alright, good morning, everyone. There, okay. Last night's session. Alright, good morning, everyone. There, okay. Last night's session. Alright, good morning, everyone. There, okay. Last night's session. Alright, good morning, everyone. There, okay. Last night's session. Alright, good morning, everyone. There, okay. Last night's session. Alright, good morning, everyone. There, okay. Last night's session. Alright, good morning, everyone. There, okay. Last night's session. Alright, good morning, everyone. There, okay. Last night's session. Alright, good morning, everyone. There, okay. Last night's session. Alright, good morning, everyone. There, okay. Last night's session. Alright, good morning, everyone. There, okay. Last night's session. Alright, good morning, everyone. There, okay. Last night's session. Alright, good morning, everyone. There, okay. Last night's session. Alright, good morning, everyone. There, okay. Last night's session. Alright, good morning, everyone. There, okay. Last night's session. Alright, good morning, everyone. There, okay. Last night's session. Alright, good morning, everyone. There, okay. Last night's session. Alright, good morning, everyone. There, okay. Last night's session. Alright, good morning, everyone. There, okay. Last night's session. Alright, good morning, everyone. There, okay. Last night's session. Alright, good morning, everyone. There, okay. Last night's session. Alright, good morning, everyone. There, okay. Last night's session. Alright, good morning, everyone. There, okay. Last night's session. Alright, good morning, everyone. There, okay. Last night's session. Alright, good morning, everyone. There, okay. Last night's session. Alright, good morning, everyone. There, okay. Last night's session. Alright, good morning, everyone. There, okay. Last night's session. Alright, good morning, everyone. There, okay. Last night's session. Alright, good morning, everyone. There, okay. Last night's session. Alright, good morning, everyone. There, okay. Last night's session. Alright, good morning, everyone. There, okay. Last night's session. Alright, good morning, everyone. There, okay. Last night's session. Alright, good morning, everyone. There, okay. Last night's session. Alright, good morning, everyone. There, okay. Last night's session. Alright, good morning, everyone. There, okay. Last night's session. Alright, good morning, everyone. There, okay. Last night's session. Alright, good morning, everyone. There, okay. Last night's session. Alright, good morning, everyone. There, okay. Last night's session. Alright, good morning, everyone. There, okay. Last night's session. Alright, good morning, everyone. There, okay. Last night's session. Alright, good morning, everyone. There, okay. Last night's session. Alright, good morning, everyone. There, okay. Last night's session. Alright, good morning, everyone. There, okay. Last night's session. Alright, good morning, everyone. There, okay. Last night's session. Alright, good morning, everyone. There, okay. Last night's session. Alright, good morning, everyone. There, okay. Last night's session. Alright, good morning, everyone. There, okay. Last night's session. Alright, good morning, everyone. There, okay. Last night's session. Alright, good morning, everyone. There, okay. Last night's session. Alright, good morning, everyone. There, okay. Last night's session. Alright, good morning, everyone. There, okay. Last night's session. Alright, good morning, everyone. There, okay. Last night's session. Alright, good morning, everyone. There, okay. Last night's session. Alright, good morning, everyone. There, okay. Last night's session. Alright, good morning, everyone. There, okay. Last night's session. Alright, good morning, everyone. There, okay. Last night's session. Alright, good morning, everyone. There, okay. Last night's session. Alright, good morning, everyone. There, okay. Last night's session. Alright, good morning, everyone. There, okay. Last night's session. Alright, good morning, everyone. There, okay. Last night's session. Alright, good morning, everyone. There, okay. Last night's session. Alright, good morning, everyone. There, okay. Last night's session. Alright, good morning, everyone. There, okay. Last night's session. Alright, good morning, everyone. There, okay. Last night's session. Alright, good morning, everyone. There, okay. Last night's session. Alright, good morning, everyone. There, okay. Last night's session. Alright, good morning, everyone. There, okay. Last night's session. Alright, good morning, everyone. There, okay. Last night's session. Alright, good morning, everyone. There, okay. Last night's session. Is it? Last night's session. Is it? Is it? Can you guys understand a little bit better? Is it? Can you guys understand a little bit better? Is it? Can you guys understand a little bit better? Is it? Can you guys understand a little bit better? Is it? Can you guys understand a little bit better? Is it? Can you guys understand a little bit better? Is it? Can you guys understand a little bit better? Is it? Can you guys understand a little bit better? Is it? Can you guys understand a little bit better? Is it? Can you guys understand a little bit better? Is it? Can you guys understand a little bit better? Is it? Can you guys understand a little bit better? Is it? Can you guys understand a little bit better? Is it? Can you guys understand a little bit better? Is it? Can you guys understand a little bit better? Is it? Can you guys understand a little bit better? Is it? Can you guys understand a little bit better? Is it? Can you guys understand a little bit better? Is it? Can you guys understand a little bit better? Is it? Can you guys understand a little bit better? Is it? Can you guys understand a little bit better? Is it? Can you guys understand a little bit better? Is it? Can you guys understand a little bit better? Is it? Can you guys understand a little bit better? Is it? Can you guys understand a little bit better? Is it? Can you guys understand a little bit better? Is it? Can you guys understand a little bit better? Is it? Can you guys understand a little bit better? Is it? Can you guys understand a little bit better? Is it? Can you guys understand a little bit better? Is it? Can you guys understand a little bit better? Is it? Can you guys understand a little bit better? Is it? Johnny, can you tell me now if that sounds any better? Is that better? Sorry guys, I'm not sure exactly what's happened here. Obviously, there's some sound issues with the new software again. We'll get this figured out in the next day or two. Okay, sorry. So we can jump back into it. I was just running through the banks, kind of showing how BGA is broken out. Finally, from this 135 resistance, you can see that all the other banks have been running. First Rand I was showing, you can see how it's been running. Nedbank running, Standard Bank running, RMH. Yeah, so basically everything. I think even Abel's caught a bounce over the last few sessions. So bottom line is BGA, nice little breakout happening at the moment above 135. I think the target is at least going to be 140 very quickly, and more likely to fill the gap at 145 in the near term. The next one we'll look at is MTN. You can see here MTN is it has finally broken above the 201 level on a closing basis. There was a couple wicks up here, but we never had a close above 201. We've really been in a bit of a sideways pattern now for almost a month and a half, from 194 to 201. We talked about this again yesterday. The breakout here should take us up close to 208, so just keep that in mind. The last one I'll show on the local stuff is Remgro. I'm actually going to go into a 2-year. I really like I like the potential setup of this at the moment. If you have a look here, going all the way back to April, we were always in a bit of a as you can see there, a bit of a slightly upward sloping channel here, and we were very consistent in that inside that channel for 9 or 10 months, and then when we broke below it, we really just put in another little consolidation here below it. But what I was just having a look through this morning. I mean, you look at every single one of their holdings. Remgro's major holdings are things like RMH, which you can see what that share is doing. I mean, it's basically popped right back up toward the highs. Mediclinic, Mediclinic's off the top touch, but I mean, it's done nothing. It's no pullback anywhere near the what Remgro's done. Every one of their major holdings essentially are holding up. Well, Grindrod's another major holding of theirs, I believe. You can see it's up near the highs. All of these things are trading incredibly well at the moment, and I think in terms of the underlying, Remgro is probably lagging the underlying quite badly. So if we go back and we look at that, I would, I think we can look at potentially somewhere here, call it above, maybe just above 190 and a half, for us to get above, for us really to kind of consider that we've broken out of this little sideways range. And then I think there's real upside there. With markets are at all-time highs, all the underlying stocks here are probably within a couple percent of all-time highs, and this thing is a good 10% off the top. So I think maybe this thing lagging the underlying a little bit for whatever reason, and probably has a little bit of a ways to go here. So just keep that in mind. We might get a decent little move up out of Rimgraph if we can break above 190. And we'll stop from there, guys. That's it for today. Thanks a lot.